we meet again. Today, we want to learn about bacteria harmful to humans. Then we play the match together. This bacteria, called Streptococcus pyogenes. These bacteria can cause pharyngitis. This bacteria, called Staphylococcus aureus. These bacteria can cause pneumonia. This bacteria, called CORYNEBACTERIUM. Diphtheria. These bacteria can cause diphtheria. This bacteria, called CLOSTRIDIUM TETANI. These bacteria can cause TETANIC disease. Now you know. Are you ready to play the match? The bacteria was the name. Let's play. Time's up. Are you correct? Well done. Wanna play again? Before that, we learn other bacteria. This bacteria, called VIBRIO CHOLERAE. These bacteria can cause cholera. This bacteria, called Escherichia coli. These bacteria can cause diarrhea, urinary tract infection, pneumonia. This bacteria, called Haemophilus influenzae. These bacteria can cause ear infection. This bacteria, called SHIGELLA. These bacteria can cause stomach cramps and diarrhea. Now you know. Are you ready to play the match? The bacteria was the name. Let's play. Time's up. Are you correct? Excellent. See you in my next video. Don't forget to